Our brain heals and restores our body's systems while we're sleeping. Scientists have called it a waste management system for our body. While we are awake, we accumulate toxins in our brain that affect all brain functions. When we sleep, our brain flushes them all away. Overworking and burnout culture, these popular lifestyles are constantly overlooking our body's sleep requirement, constantly functioning on low energy and high caffeine. Then the only problem with that is our brain is a one-way street. It can only carry out one function at a time. So, if you're replying to your emails 10 minutes into your nap time, your brain isn't sleeping or flushing out the toxins. All this time, the neurons are constantly at work. If too many toxins are piled up in your brain, it starts to lose its ability to carry out its functions. If you thought the only consequence of not sleeping enough was feeling tired and sleepy, sorry to break your bubble. Sleep deprivation affects your cognitive abilities, memory, blood sugar level, problem-solving skills, and relationships. Relationships? Yes. It affects your overall mood, which indirectly affects your relationships. It also reduces your sex drive and causes premature aging on your skin. Sleep deprivation can also lead up to Alzheimer's and dementia in later life. 3 major reasons for poor sleep quality and quantity is highlighted by Dr. Michelle Olathe. Thankfully, she also provided us with 3 keys.
So what I want to talk to you about today are 3 locks on your sleep and 3 keys for you to unlock that. And you can start these changes tonight.
The first lock is poor sleep habits and having no routine. How do you treat a baby when you're trying to put them to sleep? You put them to bed at the same time every day. Dim the lights, probably give them a bath to keep a moderate room temperature. Like Pavlov's dog, babies' bodies start association all these stimuli to sleep. That's the key, to sleep and wake up on a schedule. The second lock is overthinking. Our lives today are filled with so much anxiety. We're always running against time. At night, our body's problem-solving and rational thinking departments are closed. The departments that help you in daydreaming and self-reflection are on. The bottom line is, night is the worst time to overthink or make decisions because your reasoning has gone to bed. Try to find out ways to put your overthinking somewhere other than your mind. So the key is to meditate, breathe in and out, read something easy before sleeping. The third lock is, obviously, technology. Dr. Olathe called it waking ourselves to death. The amount of hours we spend just scrolling on our phones is unbelievably high. Phones and gadgets hinder your sleep with the kind of light and rays it emits. The key is to simply put them away at least half an hour before bed. From now on, put your sleep first. Be that annoying friend that advocates sleep hygiene and calls out toxic work habits. Hopefully, there will be enough of us one day, and work-life sleep balance will finally be achieved.